Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook new version. If this is your first time here and you'd like to learn as quick as possible about social media, apps, and programs, then take knowledge now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell. So of course, open up your Facebook app and you're going to be on the home page likely. Go all the way to the top right hand side of the screen where you see those three horizontal gray lines and click on that menu. That will open up this page where you can scroll down to where you see Settings and Privacy. All the way at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. Then you're going to want to click on Settings right in the middle of the screen. Here you're going to want to go to the third section down where it says Privacy and click on your privacy settings. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to underneath the heading where it says How People Find and Contact You, and you can see Who Can See Your Friends List. Click on Who Can See Your Friends List. And you can choose Public, anybody on or off Facebook, Friends, just your friends on Facebook, Friends Except, so you can pick and choose friends, and of course, you can pick Only Me or Specific Friends. If you want to hide your Facebook friends list on Facebook new version, then click Only Me. I like it where it is, so I'm just going to leave it alone. When you're all done with your changes, just back out by pressing the back arrow on the top left-hand side of the screen, and that will return you to the menu where you can click on Home or wherever else you like. Thanks for watching this video. I truly hope it helped you out. If it did, please subscribe, hit the bell, and give it a thumbs up for more videos just like it. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.